Welcome to this training session on calculating horsepower. Given data on the weight moved and the time elapsed, calculate horsepower. 1 horsepower is the effort required to lift 550 pounds in 1 second. Or it's also 33,000 foot-pounds per minute. And this is the formula used to calculate horsepower. Calculate the horsepower used to lift 19,000 pounds to a height of 4 feet in 2 minutes. And here's the math. Calculate the horsepower used to push 15,500 pounds a distance 10 feet in 3 minutes. And here is the math. This concludes this training session. We hope you found it useful.